So the dental industry doesn't have its own set of guidelines, and this is not a good thing. The ADA defers to the CDC's guidance currently for air quality. Wearing masks is the #1 way to reduce the concentration of these aerosols, but otherwise it boils down to the things we've been talking about today, and that's air movement, HEPA filtration, and filtration in general. But again, back to the beginning where we're trying to go forward, not backward. So what are our next steps? So we need to look at this as layers, the layered approach. So that they're in the center there, PPE. And again, everyone but the patient can be wearing a mask. And so that's the first easy step we can do. And then we have the extraoral and HVE for the patient. That's the next layer. Let's keep it from getting keep it from flooding, keep it from spreading. And then, but if we're not going to catch it all, so the next layer is that in-room air purification. And then we have fresh air and HVAC. So we really, as an industry, we really need to play catch up. So my question to the industry and to you all today is, if we're not going to do this now, then when? If we're not at the tail end of a pandemic, and if we didn't learn our lesson, then when are we going to learn our lesson? So I think we need to start really putting these into play on a permanent basis, much like gloves and water and all the other things we do. This is an improvement that the dental industry needs to make. And I think now is the time. And thank you. Back to you, Nancy.